Have you ever felt exhausted, even after a full night's sleep? Like your mind is a browser with 50 tabs open. Meet Leo, a successful creator who had everything except silence. He lived in a world that never stopped talking. Every notification was a weight. Every trend was a demand. He felt like a vessel being filled with everyone else's water. He decided to leave the noise behind. He heard of a silent architect who lived in a glass house at the edge of the desert. After 3 days, he saw it. A house made entirely of crystal clear glass, shimmering under the desert sun. On the porch sat an old man. He didn't speak, but his presence felt like the first breath of cool air after a long day. Leo rushed to him. "I'm burnt out. My mind is a mess," he cried. "Please show me how to find peace." The architect simply smiled. He handed Leo a beautiful, empty glass jar and a small silver bell. He pointed toward the marketplace, the loudest place in the land. "Go there," the architect gestured. "Every time you hear a noise or feel a worry, ring the bell and pretend to catch that echo in this jar." Leo entered the market. It was a storm of voices, colors, and chaos. Ding, a merchant yelled a price. Ding, a stranger judged his clothes. Ding, he worried about a deadline. For hours, Leo rang the bell. By the time he returned to the glass house, Leo was trembling. The jar was empty, but it felt heavy as lead. He placed the jar on the architect's table. "It's too much," he whispered. "I can't carry any more." The architect took a heavy black cloth and covered the jar. Suddenly, the house became perfectly still. But in that silence, Leo realized something terrifying. He could still hear the echoes in his head. The market was miles away, but the noise was still living inside him. The architect finally spoke. "You think your mind is a storage unit," he said, "so you fill it with the echoes of others. But your mind is not the jar. Your mind is the glass itself. The glass doesn't hold the light, it lets it pass through. To find your voice, you must stop being a collector of echoes. Ring the bell and then let it go." Leo understood. He didn't need to carry the world. He just needed to be the space where the world happens. Leo returned to the city. The noise was still there, but he was different. He stopped catching the echoes. He realized that peace isn't found in a quiet place. It's found when you stop holding on to the loud ones. If you're tired of catching echoes, maybe it's time to put the jar down. Stay peaceful.